Hello everyone. So today we're gonna start study about complete bipartite graph. So it is represented as k m comma n. So what is complete bipartite graph? I will explain. Just see it till the end. Okay. So at first, complete bipartite graph is a bipartite graph. Okay. So what is bipartite graph? Bipartite graph is a graph where the vertex set can be partitioned into two sets, and each edge of the vertex each edge of the graph will belongs to the set 1 to set 2, and I have already make a video what is bipartite graph. You can watch that video. This is available in my channel. So today we'll see one extra version of complete bipartite graph. So complete bipartite graph is also a bipartite graph. Then so I am assuming that this is graph G, and G consists of two set V1 V2 and edges. Okay. Now the cardinality of V1 is M, where I have already mentioned here that Km comma n. So M belongs to the cardinality of the first set. Okay, and cardinality of the second set is n. Okay, and the graph G is complete bipartite graph if and only if uh, every vertex of V1 is adjacent to vertex V2. Okay, when I will give an example, this will be clear for you. Okay, so I am drawing a graph. Okay, suppose this is a graph. This is V1 V2 V3 V4. Okay, this is the graph, and we have here 4 vertices and 1 2 3 edges. Okay, so at first we can partition it into two parts, like this one and this one, like that. Okay, there is no problem regarding this. So we can write the vertex 1 set. Okay, so what is V1 set? Okay, that is V1 V4. Okay, this is the first vertices, and what is the cardinality of V1? That is 2. Okay, next V2 is V2 V3. Okay, and the cardinality of V2 is also 2. But you can see, is this a complete bipartite graph? Let us assume. Okay, so V1 and V2 are the two vertices of the other set. So this is adjacent, this is okay. Okay, V4 and V3 is adjacent, this is also okay. V1 V3 is adjacent, but is V2 and V4 adjacent? No. So we can't say this is a complete bipartite graph. To make it complete bipartite, we have to make these two vertices equal. We have to make these two vertices adjacent. Now these two vertices is adjacent. Now we can say the vertex set 1 and the vertex set 2. Okay, I am naming this is as vertex set 1, and I am naming it as vertex set 2. So every edge from vertex set 1 to vertex set 2 is adjacent now. So we can say it as a complete bipartite graph. Now let us make a chart that I always prefer to make. Okay, just see it. This is summarize all that we have learned till. Okay, so this is graph, this is vertices, this is edges, and this is a degree of vertices. Okay, now so we have named the graph as k m comma n. Okay, the number of vertices, we can see that the vertex set 1 has 2 vertices and vertex set 2 has 2 vertices. So how many number of vertices? That is 2 plus 2, that is 4. Okay, so we can write it here like m plus n. So here this is m, this is n. So after adding the vertices, we can get the vertices. Okay, now what is the number of edges? We can see that is m into n. We can verify like that. So this is having, this is these vertices is k2 2. Okay, so number of edges we can see here 1 2 3 4. So this is 4 vertices. And what is the degree of vertices? I am writing, then I will explain how it is happening. Okay, so degree of vertices will be n if V belongs to V1, and this will be m if V belongs to V2. Okay, now I am explaining. Okay, now this vertex belongs to the first vertex set 1. So what is the degree of this vertex? 1 2. Okay, and 2 is number of 2 is the n. I am writing for you, this is m, this is n, that is equal to n. Now this vertex also belongs to vertex set 1, and what can I say, the edge of the vertices, the degree of the vertices is 1 2, that is also belongs to 2. If this is not clear, I am making one more example that will be clear, that will be more clear. This is example number 1. I am giving the example number 2. Okay, now I will take a k 3, 2. Now this will be clear. Okay, now it means the first vertex set 1 contain 3 vertices, and vertex set 2 contain 2 vertex. Okay, now I am drawing. So 1 2 3, this belongs to the vertex set 1, and this is having 2 vertices, this is vertex set 2. Okay, every vertex is adjacent to each other. Okay, so I am naming also V1 V2 V3 V4 V5. so V1 contain V1 V2 V3, and vertex set 2 content V4, this is V5. Okay, great. Now I will explain everything. So this graph is k 3, 2, and if we want to find the number of vertices, that is 1 2 3 4 5, that is equal to m plus n. Okay, where here m is equal to 3 and n is equal to 2. Okay, so number of vertices is equal to n plus m, that is equal to 5. Okay, now number of edges that we have mentioned here, that is m into n, so that will be equal to 3 into 2, m into n, that is equal to 3 into 2, this means 6. Now we can verify, like 1 2 3 4 5 6, so there are 6 edges. Okay, and the degree of vertex set vertex 1. Okay, degree of vertex 1 is 1 2, degree of vertex 2 is same 1 2. Okay, and degree of vertex 3 is 2. Now we can see that these 3 vertices have the same degree, so and that is equal to n. We can see like that, the n is 2 and the degree of vertex is 1. It means if the vertex belong to the vertex set 1, this means the degree of the each vertex will be n. Okay, and another thing we can see, degree of vertex 4 is we can see that 1 2 3, and degree of vertex 5 is 1 2 3. Okay, and that is equal to m. If the vertex belong to the vertex set 2, the degree of the vertex will be m, that I have written. Now I think this is absolutely clear to everybody. Thank you very much.